Hello, it's Wednesday the 9th of January 2013, uh, and I'm now going to do or the first weather forecast of 2013. Okay, so as usual, I'll do the weather forecast for the UK, then the southwest of England, and I'll have a look ahead at what could be happening the following week. For today, then, in the southeast of England, it's going to be mainly overcast and drizzly start to the day. As the rain band that was over the western areas has now pushed across the east, fragmenting as it does so, creating these dank and drizzly conditions. Further north, though, excuse me, there's going to be some dry spells. It'll be quite chilly, but there will be some sunshine, and there could be some frost in Scotland. Northern Ireland will be freezing, or just below, with pockets of fog in places, these possibly dense, causing problems to travel at times. So as we progress through the day then, the rain band will still be lingering in the southeast, but it will be clearing eventually, and in the west, sunny intervals will follow. You'll have to excuse me, I've still got a bit of cold. Yeah, so sunny spells will follow. And in Northern Ireland, the fog will still be lingering and temperatures could still be below zero. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm looking towards the computer screen, is I've plugged it into the laptop, as I've had a little bit of a problem with the laptop. So that's why I'm looking that way and not at the computer screen. Yeah, so it will still be bitterly cold in Northern Ireland, and there could be some more heavier rain towards the Shetland Islands. So as we progress throughout Wednesday, then the sunny spells will become more widespread across England and Wales, not quite reaching the southeast of England, however, as we go throughout the day. But temperatures will be from around 7 or 8 degrees in the south to around about 4 or 5, maybe 6 in some northern areas. So as we go through into Wednesday night, then fog will become more widespread, if anything, across many areas of the UK, possibly becoming quite thick as well. And again, there will be some frost in Scotland and Northern Ireland, with the densest fog being here. Elsewhere, it'll just be light and patchy fog. So as you go on into Thursday, there's a rain band that's coming into the west of Ireland and the far southwest of England, which will spread across the southwest of England on Thursday afternoon. There could be some quite heavy bursts actually in this, not amounting to very much, but it's something worth concern as all the rain we've had at the end of last month has still made the ground very saturated, so the rain will just simply have nowhere to go. But the rain will not reach the southwest of England until later on in the day, and temperatures will be around 7 or 8 degrees C for many areas, a bit cooler than that in the north. So Thursday night then we'll see the rain continuing in the southwest of England, and also a band towards the east coast of England and up to the southeast of Scotland as well. But towards the central belt of Scotland there will be some frost developing, as there will be throughout most of the Midlands as well, and as far south as to the north of London. The temperatures ranging between 4 and 0, or 0 and 4. Friday then, another dry day with some sunny spells. You'll notice it's getting colder though as we go through the weekend. There will be a fragmentary band of rain that stretches right up from the northeast Atlantic all the way down through western Scotland, northeast Wales, the southwest Midlands, and right down to the southwest coast, not amounting to very much, but it will be very patchy in nature. And as we go on into Friday night, we start to see a low pressure system pushing in towards the southwest of England, giving the chance of some heavy showers on Friday night. And we'll start to pick up an easterly wind as well, which will make things turn a lot colder in towards the weekend. So Saturday then will be quite a chilly day actually. The Met Office forecast is at the lowest certainty about what's going to happen on Saturday on record. So, in other words, they are so low. It's so uncertain what's going to happen Saturday, and it's record-breakingly low certainty. But on the map here, it shows rain. But if it's cold enough, any of the showers that are falling could fall as wintry mix. There could be some thunder. There could be some hail. There could also be a few flakes of snow and some sleet, especially on higher ground for the sleet and snow. But there could also be some hail and thunder with these showers as well. And again, these easterly winds will be increasing all the time on Saturday, so it'll begin to feel a lot colder. So perhaps we've got a taste of winter coming on the way. Saturday night then will be a very cold night. It will be the first night we will see a significant frost for many areas, apart from on the coasts, because it will be warmer on the coasts here. There will be a band of rain in the west of Scotland falling onto frozen ground, which could be quite icy. So it could be quite icy in the morning. And also in the far northeast of Scotland, there could be a few wintry showers. Sunday then will be a bitterly cold day. Temperatures will be struggling to rise above freezing. So many places may well stick with the frost throughout the day. And the easterly wind becomes even stronger, so it'll be feeling absolutely bitter on Sunday. Not a day to be out, I don't expect. And Sunday night could be the coldest night we've seen of 2013 so far. It could be low as -2, -3, perhaps even -4 in some areas, especially more inland and in the small towns. But again, to the west of Scotland and north and west of Scotland, there will be some rain pushing in, again falling onto frozen surfaces, which could lead to some icy stretches for many areas. So as we move on to the southwest of England, as I said for the UK forecast, it's going to be a mainly overcast start, but sunny intervals will break through throughout the day, and temperatures ranging from about 7 or 8 degrees C. So as we progress through the day then, and go into Wednesday night, the clear spells will continue, but they won't be as frequent as the daytime. And again, we'll see some patchy drizzly outbreaks of rain pushing in from the southwest ahead of the rain band. Temperatures tonight will be around 5 or 6 degrees C in many areas. So Thursday then will start off relatively dry, but we'll have some drizzly outbreaks of rain pushing throughout the day before the main rain band begins to push in around the late afternoon. And as I said, there could be some quite heavy bursts in this. And temperatures tomorrow will be around about 7 or 8 degrees C. Thursday night then will be quite a chilly night. The rain will begin to clear in many areas, although it will probably linger throughout the night. And temperature will be around 3 or 4 degrees C. Friday then we'll see a dry day with some sunny spells breaking out, but not overly warm. As I said, the northeasterly wind will start to kick in by then, and so temperatures will be around 8 or 9. Friday night we'll see some heavy rain or showers pushing in from a low pressure system that's going to be sweeping right over the top of the southwest of England, and then the easterly winds will start to kick in. And as I said, some of the showers could be heavy and thundery with some wintry mix in there as well. So temperatures will fall to around 5 or 6. Saturday then, as I said, heavy and wintry showers, hail, thunder, sleet and snow likely, especially on high ground. And as I said, you'll notice a dip in the temperatures only reaching about 6 or 7 degrees C, maybe 8 in some areas. A bitter cold night on Saturday night. With all these showers, it could potentially be quite frosty, especially in more countryside areas. Temperatures will fall to about 0 or 1 degree C, perhaps lower than that in the very countryside areas. Sunday then, bitterly cold, with the northeasterly winds beginning to really pick up. Should be sunny, but where you stick under the cloud, it could well be frosty all day. And not feeling very warm either. Temperatures between about 3 and 5 at best. Sunday night, as I said, could be the coldest night we've had of 2013. Temperatures will be widely below freezing across many areas of the southwest of England, and so possibly between -2, -3, as I said, -4 in some areas, and so expect a hard frost on Sunday. And looking ahead to next week, well, the forecast is for it to get even colder, so in other words, we're not going to see rain. It will more likely be snow, if anything, that falls from the sky at this stage. Hopefully we will get some snow, but we are not, as I said, the Met Office is its record-breaking lowest uncertainty forever. So I don't know what the chances are of getting snow, but we shall see. And that's all the forecast for now. I'll have more later. Goodbye.